Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to identify or classify words that begin with consonant or vowel sounds, demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions, and group to participate in conversation. Read aloud words and simple sentences with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. Locate specific factual information to answer simple, short questions in a word or two. Recognize and classify into different categories of some simple action words. Identify and use common action words. Use am, is, are with different substitutions and pairing words in short sentences to identify and describe a person, place, or thing. For example, I am. Use has, have to show possession. Construct simple sentences of 3 or 4 to 5, 6 words using correct capitalization. Write 3 to 5 simple, meaningful sentences of their own on a given topic with different sentence beginnings.